Hello, welcome to another video from the Directorate of Examinations and Assessment, National Open University of Nigeria. If you are among the candidates that indicate interest to sit for the virtual examination, this video will guide you the procedures to sit for the virtual examination. Firstly, ensure you have the following. 1. PC or laptop with active microphone and webcam. 2. Browser install on your machine, Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. 3. Active internet connection. 4. Noise and distraction-free environment. Once you have the above, you need to install a pre-installation tool that will be used at your examination. But note that this tool needs to be installed before the date of your examination. Proceed to the following URL. You should be presented with DEA web page with the following screen. Click on how to sit for the exam. Once you click on how to sit for the exam, you should be presented with the following screen. Scroll down, you should see a link which indicates two requirements that you need to install before you start your examination. Click on the first link. You should be presented with the following screen. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Once you do that, then close this screen and click on the second link and click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Once you finish the above, you are ready to start for the virtual examination. If you have registered with a valid email address during your online virtual exam application, proceed to your email address. You should receive an automated email address from the Directorate of Examination and Assessment that contain your username and password. For example, you can see there is current login information sent to you from the Directorate. Get the password. Once you get the password and proceed to the URL that was sent to you. Once you launch the URL, the following screen will be presented to you. Now click on Login. Enter your username and password as it was indicated in your official email. For example, student12, and input the password also. Then click on Login. As you click on Login, you will be presented with Change Password page. Now enter the current password as in your official email address. Now choose a new password, and the password must satisfy the following criteria. The password must be at least 8 characters, at least 1 digit, at least 1 lowercase, and at least 1 uppercase with 1 non-alphanumeric character. I will choose a password now. I will confirm the password. Then I will click on Save Changes. Once I click on the Save Changes, this screen is going to be presented to me. I will click on Continue as I successfully changed my password. So now I will see my exam as it displayed on your screen. Click on the exam. Once you click on the course, you should be presented with the following screen with the course that you are scheduled to take at that particular section on the exam timetable and the proctoring instruction. Click on the course code, for example, SETL 101. The instruction page is going to be presented to me. Read the instruction carefully and understand it. When you are absolutely ready to begin the exam, then click on Start Exam Now. As you click on that, another pop-up menu will be presented to you where you will click on Continue. When you click on Continue, the following window will be presented to you where the tool will check through your browser requirement. Then click inside this box and click on Share, where you will share your screen with the proctor at the engine room. Then click on Next. When you click on Next, you are going to capture your face. Position your face inside this box and click on Capture. Then click on Next and present your ID card and click on Capture ID card. Then click on Submit. Immediately when you click on Submit, the system will record all of the information that you have just submitted. Then now click back to the initial window where you start. When you come back to the initial window, you will realize that a pop-up box is presented to you where you will click on Begin Quiz. When you click on Begin Quiz, the questions will be presented to you. Then enter your response and you can discover that your timer is running. Now enter the response for the second question and enter the response for the last question. Since you are to answer 3 questions, then if you are absolutely sure that you have answered them, review all your responses and now click on Finish Attempt. And if you want to move to the next page to see the other questions, then you click on this next page green button. Click on Finish Attempt, then click on Submit All and Finish, and click on Submit All and Finish again. So as you click on that, now this pop-up will be presented to you where it will stop the proctoring. Since this exam is essay-based exam, your examiner will grade you and an automated response will be sent to your email address that you have successfully submitted the examination. For the staff that are using latest version of the Google Chrome, you may experience pop-up block. Ensure you allow all pop-up so that the pop-up window will be able to open and allow you to take your examination. Ensure you take note of the following. As the proctoring is going, the proctors from the engine room are monitoring all your activities. Any attempt to navigate from the screen will be indicated to the proctor. Any attempt to look away from the camera will be indicated to the proctor. Any attempt to bring live mobile phone will be indicated to the proctor. Any attempt for a second party intrusion will be indicated to the proctor, and this will lead your examination to be disqualified. You should also know that the AI proctoring is enabled in your examination, an artificial intelligent proctoring that is monitoring all your movement from start to finish. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.